What's going on, everybody? We have just been sitting here on the couch patiently waiting for our internet technician to come by today and check out our internet because our internet has been dropping on and off. And yeah, so he just came by, checked everything out, fixed everything we needed fixed. And now, what are we gonna go do, baby?
We're gonna sand our heart.
We're gonna go out and sand and finish our hearts.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. In the shop with the niños, turning on the lights. Everybody's in here. We are finishing up these little hearts for my baby. Gonna show her how it's done. How's it going?
Good.
Good? You almost done?
Mm-hmm.
We actually came to the conclusion that we just want to throw a round over on these little guys. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Yes. Done.
Yeah, everyone's putting in the work, huh?
Finish this up with Laura's Oreo.
Yeah, only the best. Put your fingers in there, get a little bit of that goo. There you go. Now here.
It's disgusting.
You can use both hands now. Rub it all around.
But Daddy, we don't eat this.
You can eat it, it's not gonna hurt you, but yeah, we don't eat it. Okay, these are all finished up. Oris oil, furniture butter. Look at how cute they are. Unfortunately, we had to run my daughter to school, and so she doesn't get to play with them right away, but they are done. All right, we're going to fire up the CNC and get some of these guys cut. Yeah, get some of these guys cut for jack-o'-lanterns, just so I can have two versions available for sale. Just got a call, they're bringing me my wood. I'm so excited. I've never had wood delivered. I've never needed wood delivered. This is a first for me, so it's kind of exciting. Probably gonna be doing this a lot more often. I think there was a miscommunication somewhere. I do not think I need this much red oak. The guy said 85 board feet, and I was like, I don't think that's what I ordered. He's like, well, just use what you can or what you need and then bring back whatever you don't. And I was like, oh. Anyways, got a bunch of red oak here. Got some red oak panels, 4 to be exact, and 2 MDF panels. These are gonna be for a barn door, 2 barn doors to be exact. So I'm excited for these things. I'm excited to get working on them. I have no idea where I'm gonna put all this redwood. I mean, I have these wood racks, I guess. All right, so while that is going, I'm gonna get most of this up in the racks. I need to kind of reorganize though. I also just realized these are 10 footers and my racks are more for 8 footers, 5 footers. But this rack, this middle one, or no, the top one, I did line up to extend over to this bottom one. So it could hold a 10 footer, but that's only one. I need at least 2 rows, I think. So as much as it pains me, I think I'm gonna move these down to match that and go across. All right, that is what 85 board feet of red oak in my racks looks like. Oh yeah, I've got 4 main supports all the way through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and the oak spans from these 3 to these 3. But I'm still super nervous. There's a lot of wood in those racks, and I still have all of this. Yeah, I just gotta get to work on these doors so I can start using that up and be less worried about weight up there. I don't think it's a ton of weight, and I know that these things can hold a ton of weight, but I don't want to test that theory. I've been doing a little bit of math and design for these doors, and I basically have the fronts of them planned out. It's the backs that are a little crazy because my sister wants a mirror in the back of these. So the front, no problem. I've got all that ready to go. The back is a problem because she was thinking of a 2 foot by 5 foot mirror, and this is a 7 foot by 3 foot door. So basically, this is how big the mirror would be. And so these guys up here would have to be 14 inches wide, and these styles would have to be 7.5 inches wide, which I think would look silly. I think that would look super, super funny. But I'm juggling an idea in my brain that I think would make these mirrors look super dope. So she wants this chevron pattern throughout, framed in. And so my thought is on the back where she wants the mirror, keep the frame the same, all 4 inches around, and basically float mount the mirror with a chevron pattern behind it, basically. I think that would look super sweet, and I think it would tie in well to this chevron pattern here. I don't know, I'm gonna float that idea past her tomorrow, and then we'll see. But tomorrow, I'm really hoping to get going on this door. I need 2 of them. So I'm hoping to get these doors going. They should be pretty quick once I get them going, but I gotta get them going. Anyways, that's it for me. I gotta head off to work. So be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.